you turned it up so loud.
They told him, don't you ever give around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes, their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it, show me how funny, show the show like it doesn't matter who's from the front, just beat it. Just beat it, just beat it, just beat it. Matter who's from the front, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it.
Where's the damn remote? I'm sorry, guys.
There is no treasure map on the back of the Declaration of Independence. Or so you say.
I saw this on Instagram and oh my god, I love this. It's over. Hey guys, so I hope it's recording. Is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, good. I am so happy for today. I can't wait. I'm gonna go to a car show and then I'm going to the Hop Festival. I think it's in Moxee, I don't know. And so I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup. I'm not gonna use this or whatever. I'm just gonna put like concealer and a little bit of, not a lot of foundation, just a little bit, just to cover my pimples right here. I don't know if you can see it. See, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna do what I always do, is put a little bit of this on. It looks really cute in real life. It looked cute the last time I put it on, and when I did the get ready with me and stuff. So I'm basically gonna do like a normal like face look, but I'm not gonna do like highlighter and all of that because I'm gonna go swimming today, and I don't want to like do all my makeup and then have to like redo it after or something, you know. So all I'm gonna do is not do the liquid stuff and just do like literally just this much, which I'm just a little tiny blush. No, I'm not gonna do blush. So I'm just gonna do a simple face look, and And yesterday, in the first part it was from yesterday, I went to the I went somewhere yesterday and I stopped by the bank to get some money, actually to draw a check and stuff and all that. I'm gonna set up my own. My grandpa's gonna start setting me up with a check-ins account and stuff. So I can't wait. And so all I'm gonna literally use is these 5 things. So I don't know, 6 things. I know I was missing something. I was like, what am I missing? So it broke. My grandpa broke it because he was trying to sit on my bed or whatever, and he tripped over this and he broke it. So here we go. I try to make my camera look like really high up because somebody said they didn't say I looked ugly, but they said they could see like inside my nose and stuff. So I hope like this angle is better and all of that stuff. So let's see if I can draw in my skin color and stuff. No, when I use this, I just go like all out. I need to get a new concealer and stuff. As you can tell, like this is really old. This is by, I don't know what it says, but I hope you guys can see it. Probably not because my camera's really bad. It's just right there. Yeah, you guys can see it. So yeah, I don't know what to say because there's nothing really fun. I'm just getting ready and stuff. So me and my grandpa are gonna stop by and get his friend or whatever she is to him now. I think they're just friends because she said they're just friends and stuff. They look like some Indian horror. That's good. I'm gonna get my big thing. Marine thing's called a ball. Like, well, it doesn't look like a ball now. It just looks like a weird thing. I watch Miranda Sings do voiceover of Ballinger's makeup thing. And I know that's a really old video, but I just watched it because I haven't been like really looking into her channel a lot lately because I just want to see her little baby boy. Like, her baby boy is so cute. And then now, every time something happens to a YouTuber, sometimes it always happens in my family, kind of. But, my aunt is pregnant, which I can't wait. It's probably going to be a boy because everybody says, oh yeah, she's going to have a boy, she's going to have a boy. And I told her that it's going to be a girl. She wants a girl. So I pray to God it's going to be a freaking girl just for her. So we'll wait and see, because if it's a girl, then it's a girl. If it's a boy, it's a boy. But it could also be transgender. You never know. So it could be her son, it could be her daughter. We never know, because it could be anything. It could be just a human with no gender. It could be a person with a gender, like a boy or a girl or whatever. And people will say that are homophobic or against the LGBTQ community, say that there's only one gender, you can only love the same opposite sex and all that. But yeah, now that ain't gonna happen here on my channel. Like, I don't care if you like guys or girls or whatever. Date who you want to date, be who you are, and etc. Because this is not a homophobic channel. I'm not gonna say like, yeah, it's wrong to be gay, you'll go to hell and stuff. Because I've been told that a lot of times at school and stuff, and teachers heard them say it, and they just don't get it. So yeah. No, this is like a crappy makeup look, I think, but it's really fast, and I have to leave at like, I don't know if you guys can see it. I have to leave at 8:30, and that's in an hour or so. There's a lot of rainbows. Like, I already saw like 2 rainbows in my room. Like, why? Not that good. And I literally just had a dream last night. I was making out with I was trying to make out with this girl. It didn't end up so well. And then I posted on Instagram, I made out with this girl in my dream, and she turned into a cat. Like, how is that possible? Like, did I make out with her and my kid's dog turned into a cat? I don't know. Like, my dreams are weird like that. And no. I'm gonna use this as like mascara and stuff because it's really dirty and stuff, so. Because I don't want to use mascara because I don't have waterproof mascara. Okay. How does that look? See? I like cute. And you can't really see my pimples, so that's good. And I've been losing weight. I'll show you in a few minutes how much I lost and stuff, because I lost quite a lot of weight from the last time I told you. In my opinion, I weighed like when I went to the doctor, I weighed 204.4 pounds, and now I might recheck it at my grandpa's friend's house, and if I do, I'll bring this camera and show you guys how much I hear my grandpa coming in, how much I weigh. But I'm gonna show you. I think I'll wait till I go to my grandpa's friend's house and show you. Ugh. Okay. Right, I think I probably will just bring this with me where I can re-reply and stuff. And I brought my own makeup, so I'm bringing my purse and it has like all my own makeup and stuff, so. I can make grandpa starting up the truck and stuff. That sounds so inappropriate, I'm sorry. But, yeah. Okay. Just making sure I have enough time, because, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go get dressed and stuff, so I'll see you guys later. Sorry, this is really flashy. I'll fix that later. So the next time you see me, this will be like all like better and stuff. Okay, guys? See you in the next part of the picture. Oh my god. Oh.
Don't want to go in the snow.
No, it raises up. It's got air right now.
What is that noise?
Testing.
Oh my god.
Look at that thing.
You want it? Ooh, look at the art on that. Look at the guy. Look at.
That's an eagle.
Is that an eagle? Is it an eagle?
Yes.
Oh.
Pretty.
See her in the blue green. You see some green in that.
Test.
I remember these outfits.
Okay, Sean, thank you. So we got rocks coming up via very
Yeah. How the hell do you see the green?
Yeah, it's a race car.
Yeah,
Very
this is
good.
not exactly. This is more DJ style. It is cooler, but yeah, I don't want it. Oh, look, this guy can be with me. I can. But now it's pretty well.
Yeah, there's a Volkswagen. There's a tire in it, I think. Is that an extra? There's a Volkswagen.
There's a Volkswagen here.
It's a Volkswagen.
Got patina on it.
What does that mean?
That looks old.
Oh, makes
Oh.
Makes it look rusty.
I don't want somebody to do that.
That's pretty old. I'm not here.
I like the salmon color
Yeah,
one.
that is. This is a different rate.
It has
These two
surfboards
clash. They
on
shouldn't have
top.
been
Yeah.
close
Yeah.
together.
Look at there's surfboards on top of that.
Yeah. There's Plymouth.
What? Are you crashing into you?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out when you're going to learn how to walk.
That's because of that right leg, I think, is part of that. I think that's why people think she's clumsy, and she's not. It's that leg. It's in bad.
This one's better.
Look at that.
Trying to remember, Kenny. I know it's bright yellow.
Yeah, it is, but it don't have no top.
I wonder why, well, Kenny wasn't in it. Kenny's not. Nowadays he can't make it.
Yeah, we're together. You guys think we're all on the same car.
This is cute.
That is just a logo. Can I have it?
Yeah.
Lo malo es que esto que ha pasado. Nos pidieron camino de Guanajuato. Sí, a Guanajuato, sí, señor. Así queriendo, así queriendo. Un saludo para mi chula hija, ¿dónde quedó? ¡Oh, ya está! Ahora, saludos a la parte de Barbosa.
I got some food. I'm so nervous of vlogging in public. I'm gonna eat.
There's your hop string. Have you ever seen the
Hops?
on the hop? Those round things that are hanging there, that's the hop.
Oh.
They make them. They use
Beer?
hops in medicine, in ointments, in prescription drugs. Sure, that's fine, honey. That's fine. Anywhere you want to go.
The mariachi's here. Sorry, I'm kind of whispering because I'm in public. There's some of my grandparents. My grandpa, he doesn't know.
Espresso on the go, yeah.
Leo. We would like to thank Leo for inviting us again in our 30 years participating.
Tamales.
They have tacos. They have tacos.
Música.
Musica?
Música.
Smells good.
It looks like burritos or I don't know what they got.
They got it all on the top.
Oh, do they?
Up on the top.
Tacos. They have tacos.
I didn't remember this. I'm not used to the one from top. sopes. We got tacos.
Yeah.
Tamales. Quesadillas. Burritos. We got corn.
I don't know how much it costs.
No, they have no place.
They have strawberry lemonade though.
Chata, yeah.
That's what my teacher made, right there.
Chata?
This one, yeah. For my Spanish class, that's what we had on the last day of school to drink.
Yeah, you could get horchata at any Mexican restaurant.
She made it herself. That's what she said. Aww.
What else, Trinity?
Ooh, there's a mariachi. Indian?
El día en que yo me muera, no voy a llevarme nada. Hay que darle un pa' gusto. La vida se acaba.
So loud. So So many people. So many people here.
That's all right. They're not going to hurt you. They don't even know you're here. They ain't even looking at you.
So?
Well, that's all right. They got a right to be here, girl.
I know.
So many people. Were you expecting no one here? Yeah, that's more her. Yeah.
I want a taco. That's what I want.
They got nachos.
They got chili cheese fries. Make it cold, fries.
Have what you want. I'm not your mother. There's your hops, Trin. Have you ever seen the
Hops?
on the hop? Those round things that are hanging there, that's the hop.
Oh.
They make them. They use
Beer?
hops in medicine, in ointments, in prescription drugs. Sure, that's fine, honey. That's fine. Anywhere you want to go.
The mariachi's here. Sorry, I'm kind of whispering because I'm in public. Some of my grandparents. My grandpa. He doesn't know.
Espresso on the go, yeah.
We would like to thank Leo for inviting us again in our 30 years participating.
Tamales.
They have tacos. They have tacos.
Música.
Musica?
Música.
Smells good.
It looks like burritos or I don't know what they got.
They got it all on the top.
Oh, do they?
Up on the top.
Tacos. They have tacos.
They got it all. They got sopes. They got tacos.
Yeah.
Tamales. Quesadillas. Burritos. We got corn.
I don't know how much it costs.
No, they have no place.
They have strawberry lemonade though.
Chata, yeah.
That's what my teacher made, right there.
Chata?
This one, yeah. For my Spanish class, that's what we had on the last day of school to drink.
Yeah, you could get horchata at any Mexican restaurant.
She made it herself. That's what she said. Aww.
What else, Trinity?
Ooh, there's a mariachi. Indian?
El día en que yo me muera, no voy a llevar nada. Hay que darle gusto al mundo, la vida hasta acá.
So loud.
Más lo que puedo quedar, y a ver cómo voy a llevar.
So many people. So many people here.
That's all right. They're not going to hurt you. They don't even know you're here. They ain't even looking at you.
So?
Well, that's all right. They got a right to be here, girl.
I know.
So many people. Were you expecting no one here? Yeah, that's more her. Yeah.
I want a taco. That's what I want.
They got nachos.
They got chili cheese fries. Maker soda fries.
Have what you want. I'm not your mother.
I got some food. I'm so nervous to vlog in public. I'm gonna eat.
Lo malo es que esto que ha pasado. Nos pidieron caminos de Guanajuato.
I see it now.
Yeah.
I
It's
see it
really
now.
red. When you
Yeah.
first got out of the pool, I
Yeah,
thought
my
you
face, like from right here, to
Yeah,
my
that's
cheeks
the
is
sun,
like really
honey.
red.
That's the sun.
Well, they get redder.
Redder?
It will.
Yeah, because it's settling in on it.
Ah.
When you're